Are you asking the right questions? Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. Today I want to chat with you a little bit about the types of questions you're asking. Now, there's two main types of questions. There's open-ended questions and closed questions. And I want to talk with you about the way we advise and coach our agents on when to use each particular one. Now, we love open-ended questions in the discovery phase. So if I'm meeting a new client, or I'm really trying to understand exactly what their needs are, either to buy a home or sell a home, or even with an agent as we're coaching them through it, we love to use open-ended questions, right? Could you be more specific? What do you mean by that? Where would you like to live? What's motivating our home sale? What's motivating our home purchase? Questions like this that are very open-ended. Now, we love using closed-ended questions when we're trying to lead people down a path, right? What we're calling them walking them down the path. So, for example, if I know what they need to do, but I'm having trouble communicating that effectively, I might ask them to remember or ask them to put them in the headspace of the other party, okay? Now, Mr. Buyer, do you remember the last time that you missed out on a house? Yes, I do. Do you remember what drove the seller to accept a different offer? Yeah, it was they had made a better offer price. So, great. So, Mr. Buyer, are you willing to offer more based on your past experience? Okay, yeah, I am. Now they're willing to do it, and it's their idea, they're remembering from their experience. And it's not just you telling them, hey, you need to offer more if you want to get this house, right? So it helps you communicate in a way that reminds them you're on their side looking out for them, not fighting against them to raise the price. Guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. If you like these videos, you like the tips, hit the subscribe button below, and we're going to continue to put these down for you. Thanks for watching.